Hi, I'm Miriam. Welcome to my channel. Today I have something special for you. The difference between sentir and sentirse in Spanish. Let's go. Okay. Sentir is a very common verb that usually means to feel, like sentirse. Both mean to feel. So we can see that in these examples. I'm sorry about those thunders. It's starting to rain. Okay, so going on with examples. You can see here with the translation, me siento enojado y frustrado. This me siento, this me, makes it reflexive. And él me dijo que sentía olor a fresas. This sentía, as you can see, doesn't have the me or se or any other reflexive pronoun. And you can read the translation there. So both mean to feel. Then what is the difference? Let's see. Okay. The difference is the following. One is used with a noun and the other one is used with an adjective. So what is a noun and what is an adjective? How can we recognize those? Okay. Well, a noun is the name of things, either concrete or abstract, people and places. And the adjective is that word describing the noun. For example, we can say, beautiful house. House is the noun, that is the thing, and beautiful is the adjective describing the house. That's it. But then we have an adverb. What is that? Well, that is something describing an action. So we can say, the boy runs well. That well is describing the way the boy runs. That's an adverb, right? So here we can see, siento tristeza, and I just wrote here, I feel sadness. Sadness is a noun, abstract, but a noun. And me siento triste, and then we have I feel sad as an adjective. So that is the difference. Let's see the conjugation of those verbs and how we can conjugate. You know that in Spanish we have to conjugate depending on the subject that we are using in the sentence. By subject, I mean I, you, we, they, those. So here they are. In sentir, as you can see, sentir, it has like an E here. And it is a stem changing verb. It means that the stem, which is sent without IR, this is a stem, has an E and it changes to IE. So it could be yo siento, tú sientes, él, ella, usted siente, nosotros sentimos, this one doesn't change, ellos, ellas, ustedes sienten. So this is the idea for sentir. For sentirse, it's just the same, but we are adding the reflexive pronouns. So yo me siento, tú te sientes, ella, él, ella, usted se siente, nosotros nos sentimos, ellos, ellas, ustedes se sienten. So it's basically that. Of course, you have to add something. Here, let's talk about happiness and happy. Yo siento felicidad, happiness. Yo me siento feliz, happy, right? Okay. Let's see more examples. Here we have. El atleta dijo que sentía alegría y satisfacción por el logro del campeonato. You see the translation here. But I'm interested in the nouns because here we don't have any reflexive, just sentía, and that's past tense. Alegría, That's joy. Satisfacción, satisfaction. You see that? Okay, the other one. Siento pena y tristeza por ello. Pena, shame, pity. Tristeza, sadness, right? Even though you translate it in a different way, I'm just giving you the nouns and the meanings so that you can understand. Se siente feliz por ser abuela. That's easy. Happy, feliz. Me siento enojada y frustrada. That's reflexive. Angry and frustrated. Okay? Let me give you more exercises with nouns and adjectives so that you can think about those. Let's practice. And the first exercise I have for you, of course, you can pause the video, look them up in a dictionary, try to do them. Of course, I will give you the answers at the end. So here we have sustantivo, sustantivo y adjetivo. Sustantivo, I have a T missing here. Sustantivo, adjetivo. So for inseguridad, which is insecurity, so what is the adjective? How do you feel? Yeah, insecure. So you look it up in Spanish, and then you know that should be inseguro, right? So, yo siento inseguridad o yo me siento inseguro, okay? So here, ansioso, what is the noun for those? For ansioso, which is anxious. Frustración, what is the adjective for that? Frustration. And what is the adjective? Think about those. And you can give me and write the answers in the comments. And I promise, I will check them all and answer if you're right or wrong. At the end, I will give you the answers. So let's see the other chart. Again, so here we have miedoso. What is a noun? Entusiasmado. What is a noun? Ridiculez, which is nonsense. What is the adjective for that? Okay, ready for the answers? Let's see. There you go. Inseguridad, inseguro, o insegura. Remember that the adjective has to agree with the noun. If it is male, inseguro. If it is female, insegura. Ansiedad, ansioso o ansiosa. Frustración, frustrado, frustrada. Miedo, miedoso, miedosa. Ridiculez, I think you don't have this one. I said nonsense. You don't have anything like ridiculousness? I don't know. Well, anyway. Ridículo, ridícula. Right? Entusiasmo, entusiasmado, entusiasmada. So I will give you more vocabulary. So here you have more adjectives and nouns that you can use in sentences. Pause the video, or if you don't want to pause the video, I will do something. I will leave the presentation in the description below, and you can download it and do the exercises and write in the comments and ask me for correction. Okay? Let's continue. Okay. This is some more questions that I want to do with you. Of course, I know you cannot answer, but you can write them in the comments. So, ¿cómo te sientes en las siguientes situaciones? How do you feel in the following situations? You can either say yo siento, noun, or yo me siento, adjective. Either way. Cuando viajas a un país extranjero, when you travel to a foreign country. Cuando hablas en español en clase con tus amigos. When you speak in Spanish in class with your friends. Cuando hablas en español con nativos. When talking Spanish with native Spanish speakers. Cuando hablas con tu tutor o tu tutora. When you talk to your teacher, tutor. How do you feel? But I will say how I feel when I speak in English in these situations. Okay? So, cuando viajo a un país extranjero, me siento confundida, confused. Second, my answer. Cuando hablo en español en clase con mis amigos, yo me siento feliz. Cuando hablo en español con nativos, in this case it should be English. Cuando hablo en inglés con nativos, yo me siento emocionada. Cuando hablo con mi tutor, yo me siento frustrada. And I used me siento in all of those because that's the most common way. Okay? And you can choose whatever you want to use, but you have to know both. Okay. Now, another exercise that you can do. Me siento muy bien cuando. Me siento ridículo o ridícula cuando. Me siento seguro o segura cuando. Me siento triste cuando. Me siento inseguro o insegura cuando. O me siento libre cuando. Present tense, you have to continue with the sentence. In the present tense, I will give you my examples. And this is a listening practice too. Me siento muy bien cuando aprendo los verbos irregulares. That could be. Me siento ridícula cuando hablo en público. Me siento segura cuando los nativos pueden entenderme. Me siento triste cuando no sé una palabra. Me siento insegura cuando no recuerdo la gramática. Y me siento libre cuando puedo hablar bien. Okay, well, that's all for now. Here you have to write a text in the comments if you want, just telling me the way you feel, and try to use those sentences and examples to see how it goes. Okay, well, that's all for today. If you feel that you like this lesson, like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you.